Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're diving into the teachings of Marcus Aurelius from his Meditations, particularly a profound reflection from 634, often referred to as the Grand Parade of Desires. We'll explore what he meant and how these lessons apply to our modern lives. Marcus Aurelius posed a simple yet powerful question. What pleasures did the rapists, debauched individuals, tormentors of their fathers, and tyrants indulge in? It's a stark reminder to assess what kind of life we pursue when we give in to every fleeting desire. Reflecting on it might feel uncomfortable, but that's the point. It's meant to make us pause and reconsider what we find valuable. Think about it. The world often glorifies indulgence. We're told to pursue our whims, to satisfy every craving, to live for the moment. But Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers, urges us to critically evaluate this notion. He asks us to see through the surface of these so-called pleasures. Anne Lamott, an insightful modern writer, provides a quirky but telling observation in her book, Bird by Bird. Want to know what God thinks of money? Look at the people he gives it to. We can apply this to pleasure as well. Take a moment to look at those who live unchecked by restraint. Think of dictators with their harems, whose lives behind their glamour often reveal turmoil and scheming, or the young stars who, given everything, find themselves in the throes of addiction and a stalled career. What does this tell us? Are these lives genuinely enviable? These examples aren't just historical or celebrity gossip, they're cautionary tales. They prompt us to ask ourselves, is it worth it? Is indulging in every whim truly that enjoyable? It's not about being judgmental, but about understanding the reality behind unchecked indulgence. The endless chase of desires often leads not to happiness, but to dissatisfaction and chaos. Happiness, as the Stoics teach us, doesn't come from fulfilling every desire, but from mastering them. When we desire something, when we feel tempted to indulge in some harmless vice, let's take a step back. Let's apply a bit of Stoic reflection. Is this truly beneficial? Does it align with our values and long-term goals, or does it just offer a fleeting pleasure that may lead to regret? Resilience, one of the core tenets of Stoic philosophy, is built not by avoiding desires, but by understanding and mastering them. It's about having the fortitude to say no to what is detrimental in the long run. This is where self-discipline comes into play. By practicing self-discipline, we align our actions with our deeper values rather than momentary whims. Let's take inspiration from Marcus Aurelius and Anne Lamott. Let's inspect the lives of those who indulge without restraint. Do they exude calm and contentment, or do they reveal the cracks and chaos beneath their glamorous facades? If their lives are not paths we wish to follow, then perhaps unchecked indulgence isn't as desirable as we might think. Today, I challenge you to think about your desires and habits. Are they enhancing your life, or are they distractions from your true goals? By cultivating wisdom and self-discipline, we pave the way for a fulfilling life grounded in purpose, not fleeting pleasures. Thank you for joining me on this journey of Stoic wisdom. If you found this reflection valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe for more insights. And do share your thoughts or personal stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're applying Stoicism in your own life. Until next time, stay resilient, keep disciplined, and find peace in your inner calm.